big wallet. You are big moron. You are fucking mongoloid. I'm not a coward that I never say anything. Okay? Imagine you're longer married with Filipina and then no property in the Philippines. Oh, what a disgusting that. And then you're telling me to be banned? Oh, dreamer. What a dreamer. There's nothing bad record on me in police station or something. I'm not doing criminal. I have no record criminal that you make me a ban. I have my 10 years passport here. Yeah. So, what is the big deal that you said to why you listen to the people that me? You let me to be banned? Maybe you. Maybe you on the DSWD. I think. Not me. Remember, many evidence you have by your own children. Right, big wallet? You cannot deny that. I'm not jealousing on you because who you, by the way, that I be jealous? You're fucking dirty and bad father. You have no good moral and right conduct by your own children. Oh, I know who's the 2 accounts that you made for me. And then the video, it's obvious that there is an apps that you do, right? And you are the only one knows that. You think that I be mad for that? Oh. Me jealousing the beauty of your mistress? No. Because the real face of your mistress is very ugly. Same of your wife. You think that I be like insecure that? No. No, big wallet. You are a big moron and big coward. Right, egos? If you dreaming that I be banned, maybe you. I can do for you. Buy the